3, 2, 1, 0.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Guys, if you're new here or you just seen my video for the first time, my name is Abigail Ifoma. Welcome to the family. Thank you for tuning in. So today's video is all about how I achieved this wig cap. It's so simple and easy. I'll be showing you how to do them in less than 30 minutes. Guys, you're done. So what you'll be needing to achieve your wig cap: you need your face cap, your pin, your hot glue gum, and of course your hair. So this is the hot glue gum I'm using. It's electric hot glue gum. And then your hair. This hair, it's a crochet hair. I bought it. It's 2-pack. Let's say expression product here. Expression product. It's a crochet. It's a crochet hair. So I wanted to use it for something else, but I changed my mind, and then I decided to use it for this wig cap. So that's why it's not in the pack. First thing you need to do is to turn the back of the cap, like you're walking on the back side of the cap. So what you need to do is to turn the back of the cap and then put it on the head of the mannequin. So that is what we are working on. We are working on the back side of the cap. So after putting it on, you just want to use your pin to pin it down. Guys, why you're using your pin is because you want to make sure the cap does not fall off from the head of the mannequin. It's just going to stay the way it is, and when you use your pin, it's just going to make it stay, like to make it stay on the head without falling off or anything. So I will advise you, anytime if you're trying this method, if you're trying to make wig like this, you want to make sure you buy cap that is bigger than your head, like a little bit bigger than your head. So that way, when after putting all the extension on the cap, on the face cap or any kind of cap you're using, it's gonna stay on your head, like it's gonna stay firm. It's not going to be too tight, and it's not going to be too tight, and it's not going to be too loose. So you want to make sure that you use cap that is bigger than your normal head. So after that, then you take your hair, the particular hair you're using. So I'm just going to take like 5 strands of hair and then put it on. I'm going to hold it on my hand. That's the hair. It's a crochet hair. So, and then my glue is already plugged. It's already on. It's already plugged. So what I do is just to press it down, like you're pressing it down, and then just put a little bit of glue. Once you put the glue, the same way you're seeing, you just place your extension and then hold it down. You just press it down. That way it's secured, like nothing is going to happen to it. It's not going to fall off. Once you put the glue, you press the extension, like the way you're seeing, you press it down and wait for like some minutes. That way it's okay. That's just what you need to do. When you're putting it, you want to make sure you're starting from the beginning of the cap. You're starting from the beginning of the cap, the same way you see me doing. That's just what you'll be doing, and then you press it down. You make sure you press it down well so that it doesn't come out of it from the cap. So guys, when you get to this side where you expand the cap, and then where you have time to tighten the cap, you're not putting it at that place, you're putting it at the top of it, so you can still have your, like if the cap is tight on you, you can still have the time to loosen it or to tighten it. That way you're not working on that side, you're just going to put it on top. So guys, if you've watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What? Just kindly hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Support your girl by hitting the subscribe button. We are almost at 1,000. Make it possible, guys. We can do it. Share it with your friends, share it with your families. Yeah, they should subscribe and also comment down below. Just if you're new to my channel, just drop it at the comment section and I'll welcome you. I'll give you a warm welcome. Thank you for tuning in, and I believe you're going to come back. You'll be seeing more videos every week, more beautiful videos every week. Yeah guys, so subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And yes guys, I just changed my name from Osai to Abigail Ifoma. The reason why I did that was because I was getting a lot of comments. People were saying it's so difficult to search for Osai to Osai, so that was the main reason why I had to change it to my first name. So my first name is Abigail, and I'll be doing get to know me video soon. If there's any question you want to ask, you can feel free to drop it at the comment section. I'll pile them down and then answer all your questions. So but before that, enjoy this video. So guys, at this point I was done gluing the hair, so I'm just going to trim. There's no hair you do that you don't trim. Trimming is important. You need to trim to make the hair look good. After trimming, what I do next is to take my olive hair spray to spray the hair to make it more shiny, like to make it shine well, and then take out the pin I use in pinning the hair, the cap down. I'm just going to take it out from the cap and then turn the cap over to the front side. Yeah guys, this is how the hair is looking like. We are done. You see, the reason why I said you need a big, like a bigger size of cap, that way once you put it on your hair after applying all the braided hair, once you put it on your head, it can still fit your hair and even makes it look beautiful. That way nobody can easily know that you worked on it. And see the back side where you can expand the size. This is how it's looking like. But if you had put the hair on that particular side, it's not going to come out neat. So that is how it is, guys. This is the hair. It's so long. It's so long. Yes, it's so long. So we've come to the end of today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know if you're new to my channel. Let me know. I will welcome you specially. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful and a very nice day. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you and stay blessed.